Well, in the series, Damien Bunce, Chief Customer Officer at Exness, guides us through the most important steps, from teaming up with a market maker to using leverage responsibly. Exness is the world's largest multi-asset retail market maker, employing more than 2,000 professionals worldwide. Damien, welcome back. Tell us, if you would, about your history and the initial inspiration behind the foundation of Exness.
Sure. The company was founded in 2008, and in fact that was a period of major boom in a brokerage community. And the company was based on the principle of creating a much fairer, more scientific marketplace, employing the most ethical of standards in the industry.
And where are you at today?
Well, now we are a global powerhouse. Of course, we've grown year on year. We trade in all the major markets. We make markets now across foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, the gold industry, equities and indices as well. So we're a big global broker. Our trading volumes reached new records. 3.8 trillion was traded in March, for example, and we have roughly 500,000 active clients trading with us every month.
What is the secret to your success, would you say?
We've been consistent with our products and our service levels from the outset. So we continue to innovate. We bring new advantages to our clients, new protective measures, some of the things I mentioned in our previous meetings. We also make sure that if for some reason there is wrongdoing, which can occur, for example, maybe we have an outage with our technology, we're the first to compensate our clients before they even ask. And these are things you'd expect. They don't happen everywhere. But at Exness, we do make sure that we're very fast to do things like that. And it just creates a great reputation for us.
You emphasize your scientific approach, calling yourself a scientific liquidity provider. Tell me more about how that works and how it benefits traders and your business.
Well, if you think about the market maker, as I've mentioned, a market maker creates a market. The foreign exchange market or the equities markets, it's not one central location. It's a patchwork of liquidity all over the world, and piecing all of that liquidity together entails a lot of clever people, mathematicians, quants, programmers, because this is so fast moving, it's so highly technical. So we're a scientific market maker in the sense that we employ mathematical models to piece together this liquidity and then build a really compelling pricing proposition for our clients.
What personnel do you have in place to support your scientific approach?
The company is very broad. We have marketing departments, sales departments, we have charitable services groups, but within the core trading, there's roughly about 250 people involved in core trading, and by that I mean core technology, and then a subset of that are quantitative mathematicians. Their role is to solve problems with mathematics, and having solved the problem, it's the job of the software engineer to implement those solutions into the market.
What's next for Exness?
We continue to build advantages, the protection methods. So I spoke earlier about volatility protection. We found from our studies that clients don't really understand what services and advantages that we're providing them. So one of our goals is to visualize that. So when you log into our platform, we show you the financial benefit of the advantages. It's a way of connecting better with our clients. So that's one area. The second area is the crypto markets. We believe in the crypto industry. We are already a market maker in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a range of other coins. And we want to continue to enhance and grow our product in the crypto area, not just within the trading side of the business, but also in payments, etc. We're going to continue to expand. We recently opened an office in Uruguay. We have an office in Cape Town now. We have offices that we're opening in other parts of the world. We're continuing to grow our markets and our presence.
What makes you so confident in crypto?
Well, I don't think that you can deny that the underlying technologies, the blockchain, are innovative, and they followed a trend where people want things decentralized. Many people are not happy with central control on Facebook, and so the notion of a decentralized technology, not controlled by anybody, is definitely appealing, and it's there for the long run. We're starting to see great advancements in that space now. On the question of coins and crypto, I mean, we saw, the Luna stable coin, as it was called, that plunged, taking with it Three Arrows Capital, the hedge fund, and then the knock-on effects of that. So the coins or the currencies that are traded are maybe more questionable. But on the other hand, our role is not to dictate to our clients what they should and shouldn't trade. Our role is to look at where are the market opportunities that people may be interested in, and crypto is one, and to build a compelling marketplace for those assets.
Is it even possible to offer transparency when markets and spread can move so fast?
We do that at Exness. We have, on our website, we have a full history of every single price on the bid and the offer that we printed, so that if there is any debate or complaint for that matter around our pricing, well, then it's easy to go and look at our website and go to the time of day and you can see all the prices. So you can offer transparency.
So we've covered what market makers are, how they differ from brokers. If I want to start trading with a market maker platform, how do I get involved?
With us, it's pretty standard. I mean, we have a global website, exness.com. You log into the website, you run through all the usual credentials, and then you can download our web app, third-party apps, and indeed our own app, and start trading. Of course, in some parts of the world, we don't allow access. We don't deal with every jurisdiction. And if you happen to be watching this video and logging in from that part of the world, then you'll get a message that tells you that. So it's fairly straightforward.
Damien, thank you so much. Damien Bunce there, Chief Customer Officer at Exness.